Well, hey guys, it's just me again. I just wanted to talk about binaural beats and 432 hertz and so on. I want to speak on this because I just started listening to these things, to these sounds, and I feel amazing. I feel free again. So, if you're going through like fear or intense feelings, go on YouTube, search up 432 hertz sounds or binaural beats, or I wouldn't recommend the hip hop because there's lyrics in there, but if you want to do that, that's fine. But if you want to just relax, just search up 432 hertz. With some headphones, obviously, it would kick in more. And it makes you feel really good, like, I'm serious. Like, I listened to that thing and, like, it just took away my sickness real quick. So, I wouldn't, alright, so there's 432 hertz. And then there's 440 hertz, which is the worst one you can listen to. So do not listen to 440 hertz, 432 hertz. Just wanted to make this video real quick just to let you guys know and remind you guys because it's out there and, it helps. It's not like it's a solution. So, go out there, heal yourself. Chee. You already know.